This is a 1985 Renault Alliance convertible. Looks in very nice shape. It's a light blue color. I think you probably do remember, if you've been around a while, that Renault first made its appearance in the U.S. Selling Dauphines. Later they came back, and this is the product that they offered, the Alliance. They had several models, as I remember. This one has a overhead valve 4-cylinder engine, 1.7 liters. A 5-speed manual transmission, and blue cloth interior. Interior really gives you the feeling of a foreign car. It's been years since I've seen the Renault Alliance. I remember at the time when they made the comeback, they were sold by the Ford dealer. He had the franchise for Renault at the time. When they originally came aboard back in the 60s, in the late 50s, they were actually earlier 50s. They were sold by the Buick dealer in town. I have a link to the page from Gateway Classics that gives plenty of pictures of the car, and of course highlights this description. So feel free to look at that.